Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make sweet and sour pork. This is super easy and it is mind-blowing. And once you do this, you're not going to order from the Chinese takeaway again. This really is wonderful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our pork. Now I've got 800 grams here of pork belly, so you can see that we've got, you know, the skin on there and quite a lot of fat. I'm also wearing one of these because we're going to mix this up in a minute. I'm going to drop in 2 whole star anise, a teaspoon of salt and black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of 5 spice, which is a lovely blend. You can get that at pretty much every Asian store and lots of supermarkets depending on where you live. And here I've got some oil, like a nutri oil. You need something like a sunflower, corn or canola, something like that, or peanut. In goes the hand, and we're going to mix that up. Now if you wanted, you could drop some red food colour in this, you know, and it'll kind of make it really sort of vibrant and make it look a little bit more sort of char siu looking. Now we've done this, we're going to go straight to the cooker and fry this off first before we do the other ingredients. Okay, so I've got a wok here, or some sort of large pan you're going to need, and I've got the heat on high. I've just put it on quite high. What we're going to do is we're going to drop our meat in. Now you don't need to add any oil to this because we've just put a little bit of oil on there, and we're actually probably going to get oil out, you know, because it's belly pork. Quite a lot of oil is actually going to, well, it depends on the quality of the belly pork. You're going to get a lot of oil come out of the meat. So we're going to fry this for about 6 minutes on a high heat. Keep it moving, and also be careful because it can, once the oil comes out, it can start splattering everywhere. See in about 6 minutes or so. Okay, I'm turning off the heat. This is beautiful. Now I done quite well. I didn't get too much oil out of there, you know, from the pork. So I'm going to keep that. Sometimes you'll get like 2 or 3 times that amount, which you're going to need to reduce it down. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to take this pork out, put it to one side, and then keep the pan, and in my case, that amount of oil in there, because we're going to use that for the next step. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the ingredients. So here we've got 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 cup of bell peppers, 1 carrot, 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can use any type. This is actually a cane vinegar. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy. I'm using a dark soy. You could use light if you want. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, and just at the end we're going to pop in a little bit of sesame oil, nice nutty flavour. Okay, so that's quite a lot to remember. All of the ingredients are typed out just below. Let's get back to the cooker and get this done. So we're back in the pan that we cooked the pork in. We've got some lovely flavours in there. All that stuff on there is beautiful. Okay, get it on a high heat, and then off we go with our garlic and ginger, 1 tablespoon of each. A few seconds, let it do its thing there. Then we're going to add the 1 onion, or about 1 cup of onion, and we're going to get the carrot in now. High heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving all the time. Okay, next up we're going to reintroduce the pork, and we're going to go for another 3 minutes. Again, keep it moving, we're on a high heat. Fantastic. Now you can be adding different vegetables to this. For example, celery works quite well in this. And if you were to add celery, you would have put that in at the same time as the carrots. We're now going to drop in that 1 tomato and our bell peppers. And again, we're going to go for 3 minutes and we're going to keep it moving. Okay, so everything is in. We're now going to add the sweet, the sour and other savouries. So we're going to add the vinegar. In that goes. We're going to add the ketchup. That's going to give us our sweetness. Small amount of fish sauce. Fish sauce is very strong, so be careful with it. The oyster sauce. The soy. Stay on this high heat. We're going to add just a little touch of water. And we're going to go for 4 more minutes, stirring all the time. And you've done it. You're going to have an amazing sweet and sour pork. Really beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. All done, apart from, like I said, a little bit of sesame oil at the end. Just gives it a nice nutty flavour. That is really beautiful. Let me get that plated up for you. Okay, and there you go, steaming hot, straight from the wok, beautiful, with some rice, plain, or maybe some egg fried rice. Really delicious this one is. Give it a go. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.